One of the most important home appliances in the house is definitely the refrigerator. Some people say it's the heart of the kitchen, and the kitchen keeps the warmth of the family. So in this video, let's take a look at some of the things that you need to know before buying a fridge. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So in order to talk more about the fridge, I'm currently at a higher event so that I have access to all these fridges to tell you the things that I want to share with you. Okay, so one thing to know, higher refrigerators prioritize freshness and health. Hence, they have a few features to help with that. So the most important is this, the HCS humidity zone. It's great for keeping food fresh as the humidity is longer lasting by 2 times more than fridges without it. So next is Magic Zone. It is basically a tailored storage for various fresh meat or seafood at 0 degrees Celsius, cold drinks at 2 degrees Celsius, and dairy items at 4 degrees Celsius. So this is to ensure that every item is at their ideal temperature to extend their freshness and also maximizing their flavors. And then there's ABT Pro that can eliminate 99.99% of bacteria and also odor. If you brought food back, or your parents took some food back, but you guys totally forgot about them, no worries. They will still be bacteria-free, odor-free, and also clean. This higher 618 can also make ice like no other. So the Smart Ice feature lets you make ice in 4 ways. Other fridges, only 1 way. The 4 ways are standard for continuously having full tank of ice, cyclic, making ice once a day, custom mode lets you set manually, and sleep mode, which stops the making of ice while you're sleeping. There's also a magic feature in the fridge. So when you need water, just pull it out to pour for your guests or family. Have you ever experienced running out of ice and then your girlfriends call you and say, "Hey, where's the ice?" Or your kids making noise because they cannot make ice drinks? Well, with the higher Smart Ice app, no problem, because this will be solved because you can schedule ice making from your phone, and it will also notify you when the water level is low. Now, lighting is also very important, and that is why the 618 has a white LED panel at the back here to illuminate the inside of the fridge, and it is also energy saving. On the outside, there's a display panel with touch controls. It's also colorful and vibrant, so you instantly know what is what. For example, buttons to make ice, enable super cool, and also activate ABT Pro and more. Lastly, energy saving. The 618 actually uses twin inverter. That means double the energy saving. It automatically adjusts cooling for energy saving and operates quietly at 37 dB, so you can get your peace and comfort at home. Okay, the next question about the fridge is storage, okay? How big is too big? How small is not too small? It really depends on how many people is in your household. Let's just say there are 4 to 6 people in your family. Then you might need a fridge with 522 litre of capacity, like the higher 618. One benefit of having a 4-door fridge is that all your items can be organized and smells from food won't mix with each other. The compartments are flexible too, so in case you have something tall and big like a birthday cake, you can move the shelves freely. Now when it comes to design, it is very important to pick one that suits your home and also brings joy every time you look at it. Color is very important, and because it is big, you will want something that looks easy on the eyes. Black is for premium and elegance. Silver feels clean. Green gives a fresh feeling, and you can't go wrong with white. The higher 618 comes in white and also crystal blue. It feels luxurious and artistic with textures on the front. Having a color that exudes elegance makes you feel good when you're at home. And also, the 618 has tempered glass for more protection. Furthermore, it's quite rare that we get to see a blue fridge because it's not easy to nail the right tone. This one is just perfect. So those are a few things to look at upon buying a fridge. Now one last tip, always look at the warranty. Because fridges are to be used for many years, so when there's problems, it's very hard to move around. The Haier 618 has 20-year compressor warranty and 2 years of general warranty. So if you're still unsure, don't worry because you can always go to a nearby electrical shop and check out the fridges, especially the ones from Haier.